Understanding the process of self-improvement, a psychological perspective. Self-improvement, a pursuit central to human existence, encompasses the continuous effort to enhance one's knowledge, skills, and well-being. This process is multifaceted, involving cognitive, emotional, and behavioral dimensions. Understanding the psychological mechanisms underlying self-improvement can provide valuable insights into how individuals can effectively pursue personal growth. Cognitive aspects of self-improvement. At the core of self-improvement lies cognitive development, which involves the acquisition and refinement of knowledge and skills. Cognitive theories, such as Piaget's stages of cognitive development, emphasize the importance of learning and adaptation. As individuals encounter new experiences, they assimilate this information, restructuring their cognitive frameworks to incorporate new knowledge. Goal setting and motivation. One of the foundational elements of self-improvement is goal setting. According to Locke and Latham's goal-setting theory, specific and challenging goals lead to higher performance compared to vague or easy goals. Goals provide direction and serve as a benchmark for measuring progress. Effective goal setting involves establishing clear, attainable objectives that are aligned with personal values and long-term aspirations. Motivation, a driving force behind goal pursuit, can be intrinsic or extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation stems from internal desires, such as the pursuit of knowledge or personal satisfaction, while extrinsic motivation is driven by external rewards, such as recognition or financial gain. Research indicates that intrinsic motivation is more sustainable and leads to greater satisfaction and persistence in self-improvement efforts. Self-efficacy and belief systems. Bandura's concept of self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situations, plays a critical role in self-improvement. High self-efficacy enhances motivation and resilience, enabling individuals to tackle challenges and persist in the face of obstacles. Conversely, low self-efficacy can lead to self-doubt and avoidance behaviors, hindering personal growth. Belief systems, including growth and fixed mindsets, also influence self-improvement. Carol Dweck's research on mindsets reveals that individuals with a growth mindset, who believe abilities can be developed through effort, are more likely to embrace challenges and learn from failures. In contrast, those with a fixed mindset, who perceive abilities as static, may avoid challenges and give up easily. Emotional regulation and resilience. Emotional regulation, the ability to manage and respond to emotional experiences, is essential for self-improvement. Positive emotions, such as joy and enthusiasm, can enhance motivation and creativity, while negative emotions, such as fear and frustration, can impede progress. Developing emotional intelligence, which includes skills like empathy, self-awareness, and emotional regulation, can facilitate personal growth. Resilience, the capacity to bounce back from adversity, is another crucial component of self-improvement. Resilient individuals view challenges as opportunities for growth and are better equipped to cope with setbacks. Building resilience involves developing a positive outlook, nurturing supportive relationships, and practicing adaptive coping strategies. Behavioral change and habit formation. Behavioral change is a key aspect of self-improvement, often requiring individuals to adopt new habits or abandon detrimental ones. The trans-theoretical model of change outlines stages of change: pre-contemplation, contemplation, preparation, action, and maintenance. Understanding these stages can help individuals navigate the process of behavioral change more effectively. Habit formation, the process by which new behaviors become automatic, involves three key components: a cue, a routine, and a reward. According to Charles Duhigg's habit loop theory, identifying and modifying these components can facilitate the development of positive habits. Consistency and repetition are crucial for reinforcing new behaviors until they become ingrained. Social and environmental influences. The social and environmental context in which individuals operate can significantly impact self-improvement efforts. Social support from family, friends, and mentors can provide encouragement, accountability, and valuable feedback. Conversely, negative social influences or toxic environments can undermine motivation and self-efficacy. Creating a conducive environment for self-improvement involves minimizing distractions, organizing physical spaces to support goals, and surrounding oneself with positive influences. Social learning, as proposed by Bandura, suggests that individuals can learn and adopt new behaviors by observing others, highlighting the importance of role models in the self-improvement journey. Self-improvement is a dynamic and ongoing process influenced by cognitive, emotional, behavioral, social, and environmental factors. Understanding these psychological dimensions can empower individuals to set meaningful goals, stay motivated, develop resilience, and cultivate positive habits. By leveraging psychological insights, individuals can navigate the complexities of personal growth and achieve their fullest potential.
Do let us know how you felt about the presented article. Your feedback is important to us. Also share this useful video to as many useful people as possible. Don't forget to follow this page for such latest information related to psychology. See you here soon with a new topic. Thank you for now.